Welcome students, welcome back. Myself Kukreja Rahul. Now in today's session we are learning about the polynomial 2 marks question. Okay, so let's start without wasting our time. We are learning about the standard 9, name of the subject that is mathematics, and name of the chapter that is chapter number 2, polynomial. In the previous session we are already seen the some questions that are MCQ and 1 mark questions of the polynomial from the worksheet. Okay, so now we are again follow that worksheet with the subsequent 2 marks question. Okay, so let's start with the start to doing 2 mark questions. Okay, so in the 2 mark questions so starting with the 2 mark question from the worksheet, there is a question that are related to the identities. Okay, so let's start with, first of all we have to revise the identities of the chapter number 2. So I'll write the identities at here. So please note down the identities again. So first identity, that is a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b is equal to a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b, a plus b, that will be a square minus b square. A plus b whole cube, that will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. A minus b whole cube, that will be a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. A cube minus b cube, that will be, sorry, first we have to write the a cube plus b cube, that will be a plus b in second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Now we will write the a cube minus b cube, that will be equal to the a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so this is the identities of this chapter, and some more important identities that will be a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, that are equal to the a plus b plus c in first bracket, and in the second bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. In this one, if a plus b plus c, that are equal to the 0, sum of the a plus b plus c, they are equal to the 0, so my answer will be for this identity, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube, that are equal to the 3abc. Clear about that? So this is the important identities that we are learned already. Okay, so let's start with the first question. Here sorry once again, but one identity that I missed it here. So that will be a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square, that will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Okay, this is also important for the examination perspective and worksheet perspective. Okay, so now we are moving in the questions that are from the worksheet. So first question in the worksheet, that is factorize each of the following. Okay, so first of one of them, that is first x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. Okay, in this case not any kind of the identity are used, so in this case we are using the theorem. Okay, that is division theorem, long division theorem. Okay, or division theorem, any kind of you said that. Okay, so we should to write that theorem with the help of the remainder theorem. So first of all, here the question is given. Now I have to assume, I'll take value of the x with the help of the assume, and I'll take that value of x that are equal to the 1 first of all. So therefore 1 cube minus 23 1 square plus 142 into 1 minus 120. So therefore 1 minus 23 plus 142 minus 120. So therefore 142 plus 1 143 and minus 120 minus 23, that is minus 143, that are equal to the 0. Now when I take value of the x equal to 1, so my remainder comes equal to the 0, so it will be 0 of the polynomial. So it will be 0 of the polynomial or solution of the polynomial. So therefore I'll take q of x is equal to x equal to 1. Now I'll shift it 1 to the second side, so therefore my question is formed like x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so my x minus 1 that are divisible with the following question. Okay, so now I'll divide the x minus 1 with the long division method to divide x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. Okay, so here my x and here my x cube, so I'll multiply x square to the I'll multiply x square with the x to form x cube. Okay, now multiply again x square with the 1, that is minus x square. Now I'll change the sign, here is the minus and here is the plus. X cube and x cube are cancel out. So now remaining numbers that are minus 23 plus x, that is minus 22. Minus 22x square plus 142x. So here my minus 22x square and here is the generally x. So now which numbers we should to multiply with the x to form minus 22x square? We should to multiply minus 22x with the x, that is minus 22x into x, that is minus 22x square, that are formed, and minus 22x into minus 1, that is minus plus 22 ones are 22x. Now I'll change the sign and minus 22 and plus 22x square, that are cancel out. So 142 minus 22, that is 0, and 120 plus 120x, and here minus 120 are given taking from the upside. So now I'll multiply the plus 120 with the x, so form minus plus 120x, 120 minus 1, that is minus 120, change the sign, and then both of them are cancelled out, so answer remainder will be 0. So now my question is, my answer is x square minus 22x plus 120. Now we have to split. Now we have to split these terms with the middle term splitting method. Okay, so we have to first of all factorize 120. We have to first of all factorize 120 to form minus 22. So I'll factorize 128 here. So 2 into 60, 2 into 30, 2 into 15, 5 into 3, and 3 into 1. Okay, so your factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Okay, so we have to form the 22. So therefore 2 2 is 4 2 is 8 and 5 is 15. 15 plus 5 20 23. That's a 23. So that's not possible. 3 2 is 6 and 5 4 is 20. 20 and 6 26. That are also not possible. 5 2s are 10 and 3 4s are 12. 12 tens are 120 and 12 plus 10, that is 22. So x square minus 12x minus 10x plus 120. So therefore in the first two terms and second two terms we are splitting that in the first two terms and second two terms. In the first two terms I'll take common out x, and remaining there are x minus 12, and take same bracket with at here, that is x minus 12. So here my common number from that are minus 10. So therefore x minus 10 and x minus 12, this is your answer. So your final answer that will be x minus 1, x minus 10 and x minus 12. This is the factors of the given polynomial. Clear that? So students, please first of all note down all these identities as well as the note down this question. Okay, so after that we are moving on the second one. Clear out? Now we are moving on the question number 2. So question number 2, that will be at a cube plus b cube at a cube plus b cube, and there will be not any kind of the sign that are given with between the b cube and 12a square b. So you should to also place the sign plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Okay, there is a printing mistake, so you should to change out that, okay, with the plus 12a square b. So now as per the question, we are finding that is at a cube plus b cube. Simply after that I can't take the any kind of the solution of the this two both of the terms, but I know that first two terms that are the any kind of the cube root of the some numbers. Okay, so I'll take the that of number. So at a cube, that will be 2a cube plus b cube. So now as per this identity, as per this situation, we are taking the identity that is a cube plus b cube. Okay, sorry, we are not taking a cube plus b cube, but we are taking a plus b whole cube formula, and here my identity that is a cube plus b cube is written at here. Same kind of the situation are formed at here. So after that, at here my formation is 3a plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. So 3 and ab are multiplied with the 3. So my a that will be 2a, and b that my at here that will be b, same as. After that, a plus b, my a is contained as a 2a and b that is as it is b. Okay, clear out. So first, now I have to verify that my identity at here that are used, that are correct or not. So at here you are seeing that 3 to the 6ab. Okay, and in the bracket that will be 2a plus b. So now 6ab that are multiplied with the 2a, that will be 6 to the 12, a into a square b. So 12a square b are formed at here, and 6 a into b that will be 6ab square, that are also formed at here. Clear that? So my formula and my identity that I'll take, that will be correct. Okay, that was the correct. So therefore my answer will be written at as a plus b whole cube. So my answer is a my that is 2a and b my that is as b, 2a plus b whole cube. Clear that? Next one, third one, that are same as the identity that we are following. Okay, that will 27p cube minus 1 upon 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. Clear that? So now we are taking first two terms, and I'll write that 27 that is 3p cube minus 1 by 216 that is 1 by 6 whole cube. Now as per the identity, I'll just write second two terms as it is with the formation of the a and b. Okay, so rest of the terms that are formed automatically. Okay, so minus 3 a my that is 3p and b1 that is my 1 by 6, and in the bracket a minus 6 and a that will be 3p minus b that might be 1 by 6. Okay, so therefore my answer will be 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube. Clear out that? So you should to note down these two questions also. Okay, so note down this fast, these two question. Clear out? So now we are moving on the question number 4 of 2-mark question of the factorization of each of the following. So question number 4, that will be 64x square minus 81y square. 64x square minus 81y square. Clear that? So here your identity will be a square minus b square like is formed. Okay, my identity like a square minus b square is formed at here. So in the a square minus b square you can also write as a minus b and a plus b in formation. Clear that? So first of all I'll also write the a square minus b square formation from here. So 64, that will be square of the 8x square minus 81y square, that will be 9y square. Clear that? So here my a square minus b square formation is formed. So therefore I write also as an answer, that will be 8x minus 9y and 8x plus 9y. Clear out? So this is your answer. Clear? Now fifth one. Now we are moving on to question number 5, that will be same as, that will be 1 up by 9 a square minus 1 by 49 b square. Okay, so at here same kind of the formation is formed at here, that it will be a square minus b square is equal to the a minus b and a plus b. So therefore first of all I write that a square minus b square formation. So 1 by 3 a square minus 1 by 49, that will be 1 by 7 b square. Clear that? So therefore my answer will be also written as a minus b, a plus b. So therefore your answer will be 1 by 3a minus 1 by 7b and 1 by 3a plus 1 by 7b. Clear that? So this is your answer for the question number 5. So first of all note down these questions 4 and 5 as soon as fast. Dear students, you must to write the identity when you use identically sum. Okay, so you must to write the identity with the sum. Okay, so this is to step, this is a step to take a marks. Okay, this is the method to take a marks, because whenever you have to write the identity with the identity in the sum of the identical sums. Okay, so at that moment you should to score half mark with the help of the write the just identity of that sum. Okay, if you don't understand any kind of this sum, but you know that the identity is used in that sum, which kind of the identity is used in that sum, so you should to write just identity and you also score the half mark in that question. Okay, so this is the scoreable step. So you must to write the identity in the all the questions that are identically based question. Clear that? So dear students, again I'll repeat that. Now from today we are moving on the identically based questions, so you must to learn and know about that which kind of the identity we are using in the chapter 2. Okay, so this is the helpful to us to solve that questions that are related to the identity. Okay, so one thing you must to learn and write the identity in each of the question, and you must to understand that which kind of the identity we used to in which kind of the sum. Okay, so students, I hope all of you understand this session and you are enjoying this session very much. Okay, so now we are moving on the expand the following and evaluate questions in the next session. Okay, from the worksheet. So if you have any doubt and any queries, so you can notify me anytime. Okay, and there is not kind of the this chapter related, you can also ask me any kind of the query that are related to the any kind of the chapter of your textbook, because of the we are completing all the sums that are from the textbook. Also deleted portion we are completing from the textbook. Okay, as per the government rule, that are the deleted portion we don't need to teach you, but as per the government announced that deleted portion, before that we have already done that all the questions and all the chapters with the deleted questions. So you must to understand that we should to take that kind of the question and we should to remember that kind of the question, because of the if you teach if you learn that questions now, then you have to take question standard 10 easily. Okay, so standard 10, for the standard 10 you should to take all the kind of these questions and you should to understand and learn that all kind of the questions. So as per the also government rule, there is a 30 marks of the blueprint of the standard 10 also changed. Now there is a 30 marks that are contain objective questions. As per the last year, there is only just 20 marks objective questions are asked in the paper, but now blueprint are changed. Now there is a 30 marks of the total marks, 30% of the total marks, okay, that are asked in the board questions. Okay, so blueprint are changed of the government for the standard 10. So you can also check out that notification at the Gujarat board website. Okay, www.gseb.nic.in or gseb.org. Okay, so you can check out that notification. Okay, so if you have any query and any doubt, you can also comment me or any message me. Okay, so till then, goodbye and stay blessed.